Hello there. I hope you're doing well today. My name is Dr. Kathryn Garforth, and today I have the pleasure of talking to Dr. Jennifer Buckingham. Today we're going to be speaking about orthographic mapping, for how would the relationship between orthographic mapping and morphemes affect initial reading instruction sequence, and it's adding it in when it's appropriate. So when you're first teaching those initial grapheme, phoneme correspondences, say if you're using SAT-PIN, the first, what is it? Letters that you teach are SATPIN. You're not going to be saying, well, this is the letter S. It makes the sound S, Z, and when we add it to an end of the word, it means that we can have more than one. We're not going to do that in the first introduction of the letter S.
No, I mean, I'm sure some people do, but evidence suggests that it's not the most effective way to do it, and it's not ignoring. And this is again something I think needs to be said, that children are aware as they're being taught a phonics scope and sequence that there are exceptions. Often the thing that is most showing them, that demonstrating that, is their own name, because names have such irregular spellings. So they're aware that there are differences and they can incorporate, and you don't ignore it. You don't say to a child, no, that's not how you spell your name, because it doesn't meet with our phonics scope and sequence. You acknowledge that, discuss it, but the reason that you have a scope and sequence is to make sure that nothing is left out. Children will be learning other things about the English language alongside a phonics scope and sequence in parallel, and at some point they'll all come together and they'll have that knowledge all amalgamated. So you don't ignore it, but that scope and sequence is there, just so we can be confident that all of the content has been learned and no child is missing out.